I have quite a few, say, solar lamps in my garden. But it's now all about, not this light by the way, this is the light that, the garden light that worked for say 12 years, 15 years. But we look now to the, also not to this garden light, but to the, say, repaired garden light, where the solar panel is here, approximately here. Anyway, it does not give a, say, good idea. This is the solar light, but anyway, the lights themselves light up in a very good way. And that's of course interesting. I hope that they will work for say 5 hours or so. Gonna test that of course. So the whole circuit, Chinese garden lamp circuit, works again. And that's a good thing.